Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is continuous uniform distribution. In today's lecture, we are going to study the result number 2 of continuous uniform distribution. In continuous uniform distribution, there are three results of univariate transformation of a random variable. Already we have studied result 1 in the previous lecture. If students want to learn what is the result 1 of continuous uniform distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. In today's lecture, we will study the result 2 of continuous uniform distribution. So let us start with the result 2 of continuous uniform distribution. If result 2 is if x follow a uniform distribution over the interval a to b, then the distribution of b minus x divided by b minus a is uniform 0 1. This is the result 2. Here this b minus x divided by b minus a is a univariate transformation of a random variable x, and we have to obtain the distribution of this transformation by using the theorem of transformation of monotonic function of a univariate random variable. We shall see in the proof. So proof: as x follow uniform AB, then its PDF is, as we have already studied, the PDF is 1 upon b minus a for a less than equal to x less than equal to b, and 0 otherwise, means other than this range a to b, the PDF is 0 for all the remaining ranges of x. Now consider y equal to our transformation b minus x divided by b minus a. Suppose gy is the PDF of y, which we are going to obtain. We have already learned a theorem of transformation of univariate random variable. By that theorem, the PDF of y is given by gy equal to fx into absolute value of dx upon dy, derivative of x with respect to y. We have defined here y as b minus x divided by b minus a. Now let us calculate the differentiation. We calculate dy by dx is equal to, take constant 1 by b minus a outside the integration, the derivative of b is 0 as it is constant, and derivative of x is with respect to x 1. So this is minus minus 1 by b minus a. Therefore dx by dy equal to and this comes out to be minus b minus a. Hence the PDF of y becomes gy equal to, let me write the formula first, fx into mod dx by dy. Substitute the values. Here fx is the PDF of a random variable x, and which is a continuous uniform over a to b, and it is 1 by b minus a, and this dx by dy is minus b by a absolute value. As we are taking here absolute sign, negative sign get cancelled, and it is 1 upon b minus a into b minus a. B minus a get cancelled, and this g of y, PDF of y is comes out to be 1. Here we obtain the PDF of y. The 1 point remaining is only obtain the range of y. As we know that x lies between a and b, and y equal to b minus x divided by b minus a, we shall calculate the limits of y for x equal to a and x equal to b. Put x equal to a, we get y equal to b minus a divided by b minus a, and it is 1. Further, put x equal to b in y equal to b minus b divided by b minus a, and it is 0 divided by b minus a, which comes out to be 0. Therefore y lies between 0 and 1. Hence the PDF of y become gy equal to 1 for 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 1, and it is 0 otherwise. If we observe carefully the PDF of y, then it is seen that the PDF of y is nothing but the PDF of uniform 0 1, uniform 0 1. As I have discussed it in the previous lecture, how it is uniform 0 1. If students want to learn how the gy is uniform 0 1, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and a link of that lecture of result 1 is given in the description box also. Hence y follows uniform distribution with the parameters 0 and 1. Therefore, we will say that if x follow uniform over A to B, then its univariate transformation B minus x divided by B minus A follow uniform 0, 1, which is the proof of our result. Hence, the result. In this way, we have learned result number 2 of a continuous uniform distribution. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel. Further, in the next topic, we will come with the next statistical concept, and students are requested to share this link with your friends in order to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic of continuous uniform distribution. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.